Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel SAP Tech. Today I will show you how to create a trial account in SAP BTP and subscribe to your required service. In our case, we will subscribe to integration suite. So I already have an account, so I will help you to reach the end step. After that, I will not move ahead because I already have account, so I can't create two account on the same mail ID. Okay, and the mobile number is also required. So let's move ahead. First, you have to go to Google and you have to search for SAP BTP cockpit. Okay, then click on the first URL. Okay, now click on register. Okay, here I am giving a dummy email ID. As I told you, I can't create two trial account on a same email ID, so I'm just giving my dummy email ID. Okay, here also you have to click on register, give your name, like I'm giving for example Rahul Kumar. Email ID I'm giving dummy one. Okay, region you have to select. In my case it is India. Company I am giving ABC. Okay, please make sure to enter correct details, because in my case I don't need a second account, but if you are giving false details, so you will be not able to activate your ID, so it will create a problem. Here I have to enter a password, so I am entering one dummy password for now. Okay, similarly. Okay, now I will click on register. Not now. Okay, after that you will get a link to activate your account in your mail ID. So that's why I'm saying to please enter correct email ID. In my case I will not get it because I have given a dummy email ID, but make sure to enter correct. You will get a link that you have to click on that link, and then you have to verify with the help of OTP. You will also need to enter a mobile number, so for the next step you will get a link on email ID. So I think once you reach there, then I can then we can move ahead. If you face any issue, please let me know in the comment section. I will try to help you from there also. Okay, so for now let me move to the BTP cockpit directly. Okay, so once you create the ID, you can also move to the cockpit and sign in. Okay, so as you can see it, I am inside my cockpit. Okay, SAP BTP cockpit. So when the first time you will log in, you have to create a sub account. Okay, so let me explain you what is sub account and how to create it. Okay, so like in our SAP environment we have different type of servers like development server, quality server, then production server. Okay, each server is independent to another, right? Like if we are doing something in development, it will not affect production or quality, similarly vice versa. So here in BTP we can create a sub account for different server. We can create one sub account for development, one sub account for production, one sub account for quality, and it will not affect each other. Okay, so within the same global account, for me which is 36E, we can create multiple sub accounts. Okay, so to create a sub account you have to click on this create button, sub account. Okay, you have to give some name like trial 2. Then we have to select region. We have two regions, AWS for US and Azure for Singapore. So I already have AWS, so let me select Azure this time. Okay, as soon as you select Azure or AWS, you will get one subdomain. Okay, you have to do nothing, you have to just click on create. Okay, one thing I want to tell you, like meanwhile it is getting created. So this trial account extend like valids for 30 days. After 30 days, if it is inactive, it will be delete. Like see, your 90 days CP divided into intervals. The current trial interval expires in 24 days. If you don't log in during this time, your account will be suspended. If you log in regularly, we will extend the interval automatically. Okay, so please make sure to log in like in each week, I will say. Okay. Okay, so now our sub account is created. Now we have to go inside this sub account. Okay, here you can see the overview of our sub account, like subdomain, tenant ID, sub account ID, created by, created on, modified on. Okay, so the like useful things for us is services. Okay, here we can see service marketplace. Okay. So any service which you need to subscribe, you have to subscribe from here. You have to just search for the service, like in our case it is integration suite. Okay, let me first show you some easy one, like let me select this one only for, because this is a fresh sub account, so it will not show us. So let me first subscribe for the cloud run foundry runtime. Okay, let me click on create trial. Now create. Okay, so once you create the service or subscribe the service, you can see that service inside these instances and subscriptions. Okay, so see, we have subscribed to the environment, that is cloud foundry runtime. So basically cloud foundry runtime is when we deploy our applications, we deploy in some environment, right? So we have a cloud foundry, Kaima, Kubernetes, and some other environments. So for now we like SAP is a tie-up with cloud foundry, so most of the time we use this cloud foundry only. Okay, then when we deploy CAPM application or HTML5 application, we can see that URL here. So in our CPI case, it is not useful for now. Okay, the second like important section of this cockpit is security. Inside security, you can see your users. Like in my case, for now this is a trial account and I am the only user. So if I need any role, okay, which I can assign from here, I can tell you, like for admin roles we need some like different role, right? For a developer we need some different role collections. So similarly in BTP also each service needs different role. Okay, so like for assigning the roles, you have to go inside this. Okay, you can see which are the application name and role name. And then if I click on role collection, I can see all the roles which is assigned to, like it is there. Here you can see the roles which is like responsible for which role description. Okay, so now I will try to assign a role uh, for me, but the issue is I have not yet subscribed to any service, so maybe I will be not able to see the role, but let me try. Okay, now three dots, assign role collection. Okay, so these are service which I can see, so I can select the required service. For now I will select all the services, sub account viewer, and just I need to click on this assign role collection. Okay, so it is done. Now I can go to service marketplace again. Now I will try to search a service integration suite. If it is not available, then I will tell you how you can do it. Okay, okay, so it is not visible, so you have to go to entitlements. Okay, here you can see the services which you can subscribe, so just click on edit, add service plan. Here search for integration suite. Okay, okay, the issue is as I already have one sub account and I already subscribed to the service, so it is not allowing me to subscribe it. Okay, because it is trial account and there is a limit, so we can't like freely access to all the application, right? So they have a limit, so that I've already consumed. So I will, what I will do, I will go to the my sub account which I'm using for a development, and I will show you there. Okay, but you can subscribe from your sub account because you will create it for a first time, and similarly you need to subscribe for this in runtime also. So see, for that it is limit is not exceed, so I just need to select this and just click on add service plans. Okay, I will not waste my limit here, so I will go to the my sub account which I was using previously. Okay, so just need to click on trial and I can go to the global account part and see this is my first sub account which I was using, and I've already subscribed to integration suite. See, integration suite, that's why it is not allowing me. Also I have subscribed to integration runtime, runtime that runtime, yeah, runtime environment. So it is SAP process integration service, so it is required for a service and key that I will explain you later. But see, I've already subscribed integration suite in this sub account, and this is a trial account, so we can't access the services unlimited time. There is some limit which we can't exceed. Okay, so what I have done, I went to this service marketplace. I've searched for integration suite. Okay, see, I have to just click and just click on create because I have already subscribed to the service, so it is disabled for me. Okay, let me show you another business application studio, maybe that I can, or some other service which I can show you in trial account. The service are limited. Okay, see the master data integration. So if I need to subscribe to this master data integration, the overview of master data integration is that runs on SAP BTP, offers master data synchronization across SAP solutions. Okay, so you can read the overview here. Service plans also is there, see, and you just need to click on create. It will ask for the plan and runtime environment. As we have already subscribed to Cloud Foundry, so we have to select Cloud Foundry. A space we have to give, and the instance name, any name you can give, and just you need to click on create. So it will subscribe the service, and that service you can see in instances and subscription. Okay, So for now we have subscribed to integration suite, and if we let it load, then I will show you. Okay, then you need to click on integration suite. So when the first time you will load this dashboard, you see you will not able to see these options: discover, design, monitor, anything. It will be something like only one option, like manage capabilities. So you just need to click on manage capabilities and select all the capabilities which is required. Basically in our course only CPI is required, like integration, but if you want you can select all the capabilities. See, I have selected all the capabilities almost. Only important is cloud integration, okay, API management, integration advisor also you can select. That's all. But I have also selected all the like capabilities. You can also do the same. Once you are done, you can just click on OK, and this window will load and all the required options will come. Okay, so see, this is a integration suite dashboard. This is not CPI. CPI is the part of integration suite. Along with CPI, event message also coming. There are multiple integration capabilities are coming. So collectively, they are known as integration suite. Okay, so see, once it is loaded, you can see discover. Here you can uh, like I can say standard integration flows you can see, okay, which is provided by the SAP or third party vendors. Okay, this is the standard one which you can reuse. Okay, so for now there's only 7 to 5, and time to time SAP or the third party, they like publish it frequently. They make changes and then they republish. Like if you see this SAP S4 HANA Cloud Public Edition integration with Shopify was published 15 hours ago, but it was not like that. They have created a new iFlow. It was the existing and they have just given the update. It is like update. Okay, so see here, so this is like, this is a package is nothing. It is a collection of multiple iFlows, integration flows. Okay, so in package, first thing overview. Here we describe the like description of the package, package ID, like we can say metadata about the package. Okay, then comes artifacts is nothing. It is a iFlows, integration flows. Okay, so every integration, this you can see create Shopify meta field definition. This is a single iFlow. Then replicate all product prices. This is another iFlow. So you can see there are so many iFlows within the same package, and we can, then there is a document sections. This is used to upload the FSTS and any document related to this iFlow or this package we can upload here. Okay, we don't need to keep it in shared point or something. We can just put it here like a change log when it was changed. Okay, and one more thing I want to show you, like you see mode, this is editable. So there's a two mode in standard, or I can say the high flow present in discover. Okay, there are two mode. First is editable and second is configurable. Editable is you just need to click on copy, then one copy of this package will come into your design section, and then you can edit as per your requirement. Okay, but if it is configurable and not editable, then you can't change the process. You can just configure the sender and receiver, nothing else. Okay, so there are two type of mode: editable, which we can edit as per our need, the standard iFlows, a standard package, and one is configurable, which we can just configure the sender and receiver, nothing else. Okay, to do so we need to click on copy, then one copy of this will come into your design section and under the integration APIs, and you can make the changes. Okay, so that I will see in later classes. So for now, I think it's already a long video. So thank you everyone. Please leave a comment, feedback in the comment box, and let me know what, if you have any doubt. And please subscribe the channel and like the video. Bye bye.